Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on Chrome app notification in your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to on your Chrome app notification, so you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on Chrome app notification in our Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. Guys, click on notifications. Guys, scroll it and guys click on this more option and guys click on this most recent. Then guys tap here and guys all apps. So guys, now we will find where is our Chrome app notification. See, so as you can see your Chrome app notification guys, you want your Chrome app notification, so you can on from here guys. So I will on it from the right side. So I hope friends you have understood how to on Chrome app notification in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.